Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so I'm now on the MQL5 Marketplace page for the Forex Hunter EA, and the first thing I'm checking is platform compatibility. All right. So from what I can see here, this expert advisor is designed for just MT4. And so I'm going to be focusing everything in this review around the MT4 version. Right next to that, I can see the pricing is set at 30 US dollars with the developer listed as Shanglin Wu. It's currently at version 1.4 and there are 5 activations available, which basically means how many times it can be installed depending on your account setups. Moving into the description, the EA is presented as a fully automated trading system built around an engulfing candlestick signal combined with a moving average filter. So the core idea here is that it is trying to identify reversal type candle structures where a strong engulfing pattern forms and the EA reacts to that movement. The developer also mentions that the EA uses dynamic lot sizing. From what is written, the lot size adjusts based on account balance, meaning as the account grows, position size scales up proportionally. There is also a parameter section where things like stop loss, take profits, and lot multipliers can be adjusted depending on how aggressive or conservative the user wants the system to behave. One important thing I'm noticing is that the EA includes flexibility for different trading approaches. It can operate with standard stop loss settings, but there is also an option to enable a martingale system, depending on how the stop loss parameter is configured. So that is something users would need to be very careful with when adjusting settings. It also mentions support for multiple currency pairs and different brokers, including both 4-digit and 5-digit pricing systems. Okay, the default setup is Euro USD on the M30 time frame, which gives a bit of context on how the developer originally intended it to be used, right? But now I'm going to move into the strategy tester and take a look at the historical performance and how this system behaves over time. All right, so we are just going to head over to our strategy tester right now, testing the Forex Hunter. We're going to be using Euro GBP for the purpose of this video on the H1 time frame, and we are using the every tick model, of course. And as you can see, I'm running the test over the past month, okay, just about 1 month duration. So let's quickly look at the reports. We can see that from an initial deposit of $50,000, the total net profit is $846.68, and there were a total of 8 trades, 2 short positions with a 50% win rate, 6 long positions with 83.33% win rate. Now we can also see that the largest profit made was $572.88. The largest loss was $739.56. The average profit was $271.74, and the average loss $391.86. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is kind of bad, because the difference between the average profit and average loss is quite substantial, right? If you look at the size of the average profit and then look at the size of the average loss, you'll see that the difference is quite significant. And then when you put that side by side with the win rate, okay, the win rate is not exactly very impressive, especially for the short position, but the long position's win rate is pretty impressive though. And I believe that is one of the main factors that contributed to this net profit. Okay, but remember that historical performance does not guarantee future results. Okay, so looking at the backtest section, I'm reviewing the historical chart data. So let's just quickly turn on the visuals, and we want to see how this EA looks like, in action. All right, so same settings, and let's just see how it looks. I want to see the historical chart data to understand how the EA executed trades under past market conditions. Okay, so we can see the EA is already active. You can see here some important information displayed here, such as the buy lots, the buy pips, the buy profit, sell lots, sell pips, sell profit, account balance, and maximum drawdown. Okay, so this is where I focus on how it responds, how the EA responds when engulfing patterns appear, right? So, because we're trying to understand how the EA executed trades under the past market conditions, right? And we want to also see how the moving average filter seems to align or confirm those signals before execution. Now, from what I can see in the historical testing, it is important to treat this as purely past performance. Okay, I always prefer to evaluate over longer testing periods if you are, if I'm looking for accuracy, right? Even though we run this test over just about a month, but if you are really interested in this EA, I would recommend you run it over a longer period of time, maybe a year or even 2 years or more. All right, so you can be able to capture more market data, capture a wider range of market conditions and get a more comprehensive result. Okay, because shorter samples can sometimes give a limited view of how the EA behaves across different market environments. Now, while going through the chart, the activity suggests the EA is reacting to structured price movements rather than constant trading. Right, as you can see, the periods of activity followed by pauses, which matches the idea of a signal based system rather than something that trades continuously. Now, when I step back and look at the overall historical results, this is where I remind myself that performance can vary significantly depending on factors like risk settings, lot size, configuration, broker execution, spreads, and slippage. Okay, so these are all things that can change how results look in real trading conditions. So even though this EA is presented as fully automated with dynamic position sizing, it's still very important to test it properly on a demo account first and make adjustments based on your own risk tolerance before thinking about live deployment. All right, so to wrap everything up, Forex Hunter EA is essentially a signal based automated system built around engulfing candlestick patterns and moving average confirmation with flexible risk and lot sizing options. But like with any EA, the real understanding comes from how it performs under your own testing conditions and how you choose to configure it. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.